Welcome to the Canaveral Port Authority Board of Commissioners meeting for June 24th.
Another very positive that we've seen this month has been the initiation of demolition and then construction on Terminal 8. So I'm really excited to show this site off. It's changed substantially from when this drone was flown. Even this morning we had a concrete pumper truck on site this morning casting foundations and grade beams for that new arrivals plaza. So we'll have a series of planters in the front entrance greeting people. You see the existing, so this is what we were casting this morning. So we've since put rebar and formwork and cast a lot of those foundations. This is the existing POV drop-off loop. It's going to be flanked by a new covered canopy area for guests. And we're casting an additional nearly 300 foot of POV drop-off loop extension. So you can see just a tremendous amount of work is being done by the PCL HERD team. We're coordinating daily with Disney Cruise Lines, various departments within Disney, from security to IT to their operations. And we're anticipating a return of cruising. The date that we have is November 1. That's the date that we're tracking to get cruising back out of Cruise Terminal 8. Around the rear of the building, this is where that new ADA debark ramp is going to be built. So you see the auger cast pile, rebar sticking out of the ground. We'll have foundations going in very soon. And the new location of the new passenger boarding bridge, which is a jetway style gangway going in behind Terminal 8. So it was my pleasure to highlight both of those milestone projects for Port Canaveral. The progress that's been made to date on CT8 is great to see, and